In this video, we will explore how billionaires manage their time effectively to avoid wasting their most precious resource. Time is a non-renewable resource that we all possess, but billionaires, who often have multiple responsibilities, understand the significance of effective time management for achieving success. Overall, viewers of this video will gain a deeper understanding of how billionaires manage their time effectively and pick up some tips and techniques that they can apply in their own lives to avoid wasting their most precious resource. We'll delve into some of the strategies that billionaires use to prioritize their responsibilities, delegate tasks, and maintain productivity while incorporating self-care. Additionally, we'll examine how billionaires view their time and how their mindset influences their approach to managing it. Furthermore, we'll discuss the habits that billionaires have formed in order to avoid wasting time, including identifying and eliminating time-wasting activities, and optimizing their schedules to get the most out of their day. Finally, we'll provide practical tips and techniques that viewers can implement into their own lives to improve their time management skills, regardless of their current level of success or wealth. 1. Setting clear priorities. Billionaires know that their time is limited, so they set clear priorities and focus on the most important tasks first. They usually prioritize their tasks based on their long-term goals and the impact that those tasks will have on achieving those goals. In this section of the video, we can discuss some techniques for setting priorities, such as creating a to-do list, using the Eisenhower matrix, or focusing on one important task at a time. We can also discuss the importance of avoiding distractions and staying focused on the tasks at hand. 2. Delegating effectively. Billionaires don't waste their time on tasks that can be handled by others. They delegate tasks to their team members who have the necessary skills and experience. We can discuss some best practices for effective delegation, such as setting clear expectations, providing adequate training, and giving regular feedback. We can also discuss the importance of trusting your team and allowing them to take ownership of their tasks. 3. Saying no. Billionaires understand that they cannot do everything and must be selective about where they spend their time. They say no to opportunities and commitments that don't align with their priorities. We can discuss some strategies for saying no, such as being polite but firm, offering alternatives, and communicating your priorities clearly. We can also discuss the benefits of saying no, such as reducing stress and freeing up time for more important tasks. 4. Leveraging technology. Billionaires use technology to automate and streamline repetitive tasks, freeing up more time for higher value activities. We can discuss some tools and techniques for leveraging technology, such as using project management software, automating email responses, and using artificial intelligence to analyze data. We can also discuss the importance of using technology in a mindful way and avoiding the trap of constant distraction. 5. Prioritizing self-care. Billionaires understand that they cannot be productive if they're not taking care of themselves. They prioritize their health and well-being to ensure they have the energy and focus needed to tackle their responsibilities. We can discuss some self-care strategies, such as getting enough sleep, exercising regularly, and taking breaks throughout the day. We can also discuss the benefits of self-care, such as improved productivity, better decision-making, and reduced stress levels. Overall, this video will provide viewers with actionable strategies for managing their time effectively and avoiding the trap of wasting their most precious resource. We will use real-life examples of how billionaires manage their time, and we will provide tips and techniques that viewers can apply in their own lives to achieve their goals. Given that there are over 3,000 billionaires around the world, these are some of the habits they employ that you can adopt as well. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, smash the like button and comment for more great content.